Let's try this prompt to have our first project set up. I already have a coffee brand called CloudGrind, and I have a lot of files that includes my brand voice, decks that I've built, as well as some of these quick start guide. So I'm going to see what ChatGPT Work could do to use these files so that I don't have to re-explain my brand every time. So clicking on send prompt, let's see what it can do. Hi everyone, I'm Monica. When I opened ChatGPT Work for the very first time, I didn't watch a tutorial. I asked ChatGPT Work to teach me about itself. And it worked better than any video I could have found because it knew exactly what it could do for my specific project. So I'm going to show you the exact system that I've created and why this approach gets you to the useful parts faster than any walkthrough. Let's get into it. Tell me what makes it different from regular ChatGPT and the first 3 things I should set up. So this is the difference that matters. In regular chat, you get a response. In Work, you get an output. A finished email draft sitting in your Gmail, a PowerPoint already in your folder, a report that didn't exist an hour ago. Walk me through the permission settings for ChatGPT Work. The settings panel has 3 permissions levels. 1 is ask for approval. It would stop and check with you before touching any of your files. 2 is approve for me. It uses judgment and only flag things that would be risky. And then the 3rd one would be full access, unrestricted. And then full access, you give them a master key to come and go without checking with you. So I really like the analogy being used, and it tells you that you wanted to start ask for approval. This is not being paranoid. This is how you learn how the tool actually working. Once you've watched it work for maybe a week or 2, you could get 1 level up when you trust the tool. Let's try this prompt to have our first project set up. I already have a coffee brand called CloudGrind, which is a fictional brand, of course. And I have a lot of files that includes my brand voice, decks that I've built, as well as some of these quick start guide. So I'm going to see what ChatGPT Work could do to use these files so that I don't have to re-explain my brand every time. This is when work gets different from anything you've used before. A project isn't a folder, it's a live connection to a folder on your computer. So the first thing I need to do is to open that sidebar, and then you see that we have the project section, and just select on creating a new project, and I can name that CloudGrind Brand HQ. I can do default memory or choose a project specific memory. This keeps the project focused on CloudGrind rather than drawing on unrelated chats. Then from there, you can add those files into the project files or sources area. And what I like the most, well, these project doesn't just have files, they also need to have instructions. So in this case, the prompt that I have done is already giving me the project instructions to start with, that I can just edit the project and paste in. And before finalizing any of the substantial customer-facing copy, checking on the below. So it's even doing the initial instruction for me. All I need to do is copy this, put it in the instruction for my project setting, and put it right there. So save that. You now have the brand instruction. I get to start a new chat right inside to read the project files and create a 1-page CloudGrind brand brief, including my position, my voice, word of styles I wanted to avoid, customer personas, and let's test this right here. And I get this 1-pager being created and it matches with the brand setting that I have. Better coffee, better process, zero BS, that's my promise. And it has the same type of brand that I wanted to convey to my users. It's even telling me some of these missing or conflicting information, such as there's no finalized product catalog being listed, there's no specific packaging information. It's still very good to see it coming out from ChatGPT Work. Here is what's possible once you get this right. You skip the generic overview and go straight to the features that matters the most for your work. You get setup instructions that accounts for what you are actually building, and you end your first session with things that are already done, not just concepts that you watched someone else explain. 3 prompts in, and that's what it took to understand what work actually is, to get the permissions right, and to create my brand HQ project. So it never asked me to re-explain my brand again. And there are 3 more prompts to go. Prompts 4, 5, and 6 are where it gets into things that actually run in the background for you. Plugins, scheduled tasks, and skills. We're gonna discuss this in part 2. If you wanted to see that video, subscribe to my channel. The first 3 prompts from this video are going to be in the description. Start from there and drop a comment to let me know which one surprised you the most. I'll see you in part 2.